Hey, and welcome to a new episode of IT Conversations, still live at Explore in Barcelona 2024. Again, my voice is slowly declining, but that's okay because we're on the very last day of Explore. It's Wednesday, and traditionally Wednesday always has the hall crawl. And the hall crawl is kind of an event at the show floor where you could visit the sponsors, have a drink with them, but also have a good chat about all of their technologies they're showing. And next to me is Wessel Gans. Wessel,
yes,
welcome to the show. So, Wessel, you work at Google, and Google is one of our partners. Google has an amazing presence at the event. You guys are still like a big sponsor of Explore, right?
Yes, correct. Thanks for having us in the talk. We're a global diamond sponsor for both Las Vegas and the EMEA event here in Barcelona. That's correct, and always happy to work with ITQ as a partner.
Yeah, really cool. It has been a very busy week. How has this week been for you? And can you share some of your highlights?
Yes. So I must say that we have a booth here with an in-booth theater where we actually present our solutions to our customers, and we really have 10-15 minute bite-sized talks. And I must say there's a lot of engagement with our customers and partners, specifically around topics as the fact that we have brought the adoption of VCF licensing, the bring your own license capability, but also the software stack now fully available on Google Cloud VMware Engine. And we also changed our consumption models, right? So we have pay-go availability, obviously on-demand usage, but you can choose to commit for a longer time. But now specifically with VCF, we bring the ability for customers to bring their own licenses should they have a new agreement on-prem, and they have the ability to also commit with us for 3 years, but not necessarily stick to VMware Engine. They can also start to consume within the same commitment. They can convert to start other services in their portfolio within the same commitment.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
It sounds a little bit corny, like an infomercial, but it is amazing. Yeah, I know this is many of the conversation we have with customers as well.
Yeah.
Consumption model is really important, but also have a good model in place to not overprice the environment and use actually what you're consume what you're using.
Yeah,
it's really important. The fact that Google is here, Google is, besides the fact that you deliver an IaaS platform that can run all of these workloads, I think Google is also commonly known as one of the hyperscalers, but the one that is very active in AI. And it says here, I don't know if you can see it, but your company is ready for AI, is your cloud. So I know we had a brief conversation about it already.
Yeah.
So what is it that you are showing here, or that you saw here, or that you're talking about in relation to AI?
Yeah, I think the ability to bring your workloads to Google Cloud using the VMware platform brings your workloads closer to our services when it comes to AI. And we have, for example, a Vertex AI workbench where you can actually the data that remains on VMware Engine in your databases or other data sources in solutions where we provide the AI capabilities to involve your data at a low latency connection, all within a secure perimeter. So from that perspective, customers get an easier path to use their data in a secure environment with the AI offerings we have.
Wow, so that means that you have your traditional or semi-traditional cluster running inside GCVE, and you could use one of the microservices that you guys offer, or the service that you offer in general, focus on AI to bring them together to the data.
Exactly, that's it. And it's easy integrating, pointing the AI offering we have towards the data you have still running, your applications running on Google Cloud VMware Engine as they would be on-prem. And without modifying your applications, you can actually integrate your data into those applications for AI.
And what are kind of typical use cases that you hear from customers that they're using, or that you're talking about?
Yeah, there are several. I think a lot of companies are experimenting to make predictions based on their data. So we had a demo, for example, where we have a banking application where we're based on transactions trying to predict the next prediction or the next transaction on the bank, but where customers are really experimenting what they can actually get from their data for value back to their business.
Wow, really cool. So there's still one thing that is, I would say it's an elephant in the room, but I think it's really, really cool. So one thing that Hawk 10 mentioned this week, but also in Vegas, is that the future of the cloud is private, whereas you guys are a public company. And in the same keynote, they also announced I think it's a really cool announcement that VMware Live Recovery is going to be available on GCVE. So that although they have a strong focus on building a kind of a public cloud experience on the private cloud, they're still actively innovating and investing in their partners like Google to build out their cloud services. I think that's just amazing. So
yeah, maybe to share a little bit. So at the beginning, we already intend to support VCF. We were the first in February this year. We released this in the midst of the year, and now there is the VLR announcement here at VMware Explore. Still very fresh and new for most of us. VMware Live Recovery, 2 components: the replication-based and the backup-based. Obviously, a VMware offering, support for Google Cloud. The technicalities and the availability remains in the coming time frame, if you will. But we're looking forward to work together with our partners and VMware to bring this to market.
Wow. Well, Wessel, thanks so much for sharing. Any final remarks or any things you want to share with our audience?
It's been an amazing event, and I look forward to work together with our partners and our customers.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much. So, if you have any questions about GCVE or Google in general, you know where to find us. We are a Google partner, as you know. For now, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.